The hidden clue led Elion beyond Blackpine and into the northern mountains. The road beyond the gate disappeared into a country of stone and mist. Fresh tracks told him the stranger was still close. The footprints were recent and pointed north. Elion followed the trail before the fog could erase it. For one moment, the stranger appeared above the road. The trail entered a narrow passage called Echo Pass. Inside the pass, every sound returned from the stone. Elion moved carefully through the narrow canyon. Old survey arrows pointed in different directions. He trusted the water and moss more than the faded paint. A strip of gray leather proved the stranger had passed through. Something moved high above him. Then the canyon opened onto something far larger. North Lake lay silent between the mountains. At its center stood an abandoned survey station. The station was farther away than it first appeared. The old boat was too damaged to trust. A stone path offered the only way across. Before crossing, Elion searched for more information. A small rest station stood beside the shore. Inside, years of survey records waited beneath the dust. The records showed how quickly the lake could change. One line stood apart from the others. He returned alone. The path was safe only while the water remained low. The lake was already beginning to rise. He had little time to reach the island. The crossing began while the path was still visible. Elion placed each step carefully. Even the first stones were already wet. He measured the water before every step. Soon, both shores seemed far away. The final symbol warned against crossing when the wind changed. Then the mountain wind changed direction. The road behind him was disappearing. Across the lake, the stranger appeared again.
This time, the stranger was trying to help.
A triangular marker revealed a higher route. Elion abandoned the flooded path and climbed toward the rock wall. There was no longer any way back. The higher path clung to the mountain wall. Elion kept one hand close to the rock and moved slowly. The route narrowed beneath the overhanging stone. An old survey marker showed the way through. The only route continued through a gap in the cliff. Ahead, the station finally came within reach. One weak light still glowed inside the station. Someone had arrived before him. The room was empty, but it had not been empty for long. A red line connected every place Elion had visited. The next route led toward a place called the White Pass. But another message was waiting first. The machine carried a recording made years earlier. When Elion started the recorder, his father's voice filled the room.
His father had known that Elion might one day reach North Lake.
Then the station door closed behind him.
Your father told me you would come.